my wife served the Lord in Cambodia for 10 years. We serve all the people, Khmer and tribal people. All tribal people in Cambodia. Cambodia. But the Phnom church, Phnom group are our favorite. We travel a lot of time from Phnom Penh to Monogiri with Batanyin tribe. When we went to Busra, we don't say, we stay at his house.
Good coffee.
Yeah, his wife and his wife so gracious to us.
Coffee đó.
But I want to say the Phnom people love the Lord and love the CMA. Nobody can enter Nukri without CMA logo. Now I'm happy to be here to meet my Phnom brother and sister in this inshallah. And in Greenboro too. I'm so happy. I want to know who are among the leader of the church. Can you raise your hand? Leader of the church here. Leader, elder. Of the church here.
Wow.
I want to talk to you. A leader of the church here. Like Reverend Narek might unite together. Unite together. To serve the Lord together in humility. You need to thank God every day for the church, for the building God has provided you. But don't be proud of yourself. Don't be proud of yourself. Yeah, humble yourself, thank God every day. And God has placed you here at this place so it can reach out to the Phnom people, inshallah. You need to pray every day for non-believer, the Phnom non-believer in this community. And you need to encourage each member of the congregation to reach out to the Phnom people. God has called you to build His church, to grow His church. In order for the church to grow, to bring more people to the church. So you need to remember each member of the congregation. To pray for their friends, for their neighbors, for their workers, who to know the Lord, and ask God to give them opportunity to witness to them. If they do that, wait and see. Wait and see. The Lord will bless you more and more. With more and more people come to worship this place here. And God be glorified. And the country be blessed. Amen.
Cái chiếc mua lại